Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change primary market on Shopify. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to log in into my Shopify store so that I can show you guys how you can change primary market on Shopify. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left and you want to click here on markets. Okay, so after, guys, you click on market, as you can see in my case the Morocco is my primary market, which is like the local market. Now to change it, you will have to click on add market in the top right, and after that, guys, you want to name the market. So for example, I would name it new market France. Okay, I want to set France as my primary market. I want to change it from Morocco to France. Now after you search here, after you name the market, like, don't worry, customers will not be able to see that, so don't worry about it. So after that, you want to search here for the markets for the country. For example, in my case, like I said, I'm going to change from Morocco to France. Okay, I'm going to search here for France. Okay, I'm going to search for it right now, and I'm going to change the primary market from Morocco to France. Okay, this is the country. Okay, I'm going to click on add market. Make sure you click on add market, guys. Okay, so after, guys, you click on add market, in the top right you want to activate this market. If it's inactive, you want to click on active, and after that, what you guys need to do now, as you can see, I'm going to go back and you will be able to see the new market, which is the new market I have added right now, which is France, and the primary market here is Morocco. Now to change to a new market, click on the market that you have added, click on it, and then click on more options in the top right, and then click on make primary market and click on confirm. Now after, guys, you click on confirm, go back, and now the primary market is going to be France. In my case, of course, you can change it to any country you want. Okay, now the Morocco has been removed. You can also remove it. You can remove your old country, and then click on more actions, click on remove market, click on remove, and that's you can remove the previous market from Shopify. If this tutorial, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.